Hello, everybody. I am Dr. G. Tenmuri, working as professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Academy of Maritime Education and Training, AMET, deemed to be university, which is in Kanathur, Chennai. In this video, I am going to explain about the differences between PLC and microcontroller, and also I am going to explain the PLC and microcontroller are suitable for which environment also. See, first we will see the definition of PLC. PLC is the programmable logic controller. It is other name as industrial computer. Why it is called as industrial computer and what does it do? It is used to monitor the inputs depending on their state, that means on or off, and make decisions, get the input and make decisions based on its program or logic inside it in the CPU, and according to that it controls the output by turning on or turn off to for the automation of a machine or a process which is going in the industry. We have seen the working of or definition of the PLC. It is more or less similar to the embedded system or microcontroller. So what are the differences we found between that? We will see, and finally we will come to the know that which is suitable for which one of the application, and what are the differences we found between them. Okay. PLCs were initially developed to replace hardwired relays, sequences, timers, counters, which are all available as hardwired, in the manufacturing process for the automation industry. They have now replaced by what? That hardwired in the initial stage has been replaced, and now it has been used for the manufacturing process by the automation industry. Today they have been scaled and are being used by all kind of manufacturing process, that is includes robot based lines also. But microcontrollers, which are very small computing devices available as single chip, contain one or more processing cores with memory devices embedded alongside, programmable, special and general purpose input. It is available to program for special and general purpose inputs and output ports, for which it is made available for special purpose as well as for general purpose. The main reason in the previous slide it was told that your PLCs are used and suitable for industrial application, which are used mainly in automation in the manufacturing process. Why it is adapted for that particular industry application? Because found deeply rooted in the ruggedness and ability to withstand the rough environment which is associated with the manufacturing flows. Okay, the manufacturing flows will be knowing while if the environment will be very rough and ruggedness will be there, that could be withstand by your PLC, but it has, that's why it is more suitable for industry, which is used in industry. It is insisted on again and again. PLCs also have built-in interfaces like a display and switches. It is made available as a single module. We will see about microcontroller regarding this. Microcontrollers are used in all sort of day-to-day devices, especially in applications where only specific repetitive tasks need to be performed. See, like in day-to-day devices, which were we have in our house, washing machine, and then in cases in our applications, electronic consumer electronic applications, everything we are using microcontrollers. They are usually bare like our bare food. If we wanted to walk out, what will we do? We wear slippers. We cannot walk with bare food. Okay, in bare food you cannot walk at 12 o'clock. What do you require? You require a slipper. Okay, like that you require a company. That is what I am aiming to say is it could not be used as a standalone device. It requires more connections, interfaces. It doesn't have interface, displays and built-in switches. It requires general purpose IOs by which the components you wanted to connect could be connected with the microcontroller. But in PLC, all those things are available inside. It is made available as a single module. See the architecture of PLC. See what are all connected to that PLC. You see it. You have communication interface, memory inside, programming devices. You have power supply is a separate unit available. See the remotely available equipments can be controlled with the help of what in the industry environment, PLC architecture. For that you have a networking, its own networking available. Using that what you can control the devices in the industry. But in microcontroller you see the architecture wise, see the memory devices, RAM, ROM and interfacing devices, panels, ports, timers are all available outside. Okay, so you have a CPU. All the things are made available in the PLC are all available outside as blocks. So you require a general purpose IO. From the block diagram you are able to understood very easily that you require a general purpose IO to connect the display and built-in switches. Okay, what has been said already in the using the previous slide could be easily understood with the help of these architectures. Okay, see the pictures of PLC and microcontrollers are given. It is proven that PLC is available as a single module, whereas your microcontroller has external display, switches are all available as external devices in the second diagram. So whatever we said, we have seen in the previous slides are proven with the help of these pictures given in this slide. Next, performance, steadiness and reliability wise, what are the differences we found between PLC and microcontrollers? You will see PLCs are standard designed to interface with industrial grade sensors. Sensors means the available pressure has to be given, temperature has to be monitored. So for that we have sensors, actuators, communication modules are all of industrial standard. Okay, that the voltage current ratings are also industrial standard. But it is compatible to the PLC is compatible to the industrial standard with respect to the actuators, sensors, input and output devices with respect to the current voltage ratings also. But your microcontrollers are incompatible to that. Extra hardware and also able to withstand several adverse conditions that are not possible with the microcontrollers. But the high amount of vibration, high temperature and electrical noise, and then rough handling, all these things, for that your PLC is more compatible. Microcontroller however, are less study because of the above statements given. We can say that they are less study. By design, they were not designed to serve as standalone. That's what we have seen from the block diagram and the statements which have been given. Designed to be embedded in a system. That's why we are calling it as what? Wherever they are employed are called as embedded system. This provides for the less study look. Moreover, they are the chip available as integrated chips we have seen. They'll be they are fragile, easily they can be damaged. Okay, whereas your PLCs will not be like that. One of the key architecture of PLC is it requires the people who are handling and operating requires low technical knowledge, programming wise, technology wise. Easy to operate, easy to program, because the extensively used language in the PLC is ladder program, which is a pictorial one, picture visual one. In the programming language, the software which is available now in that the digital gates are the modules which are used in the programming of PLC. Logic gates, counters, delay elements are all available as ready-made modules. They can be pick and place, connected together in order to get the complete program which is required for automation purpose in the industry. So people who are programming it, for them also will find it easy, as well as who are operating it also will find it very easy, and troubleshooting and diagnosing the fault also will be very easy with respect to the PLC. But if you come to the microcontroller handling over, we all know that we are very much used to that. We have to write program using the low level language, assembly level language program, ALP, or high level language such as C, C++. So writing program and requiring special tools for fault diagnosis and for troubleshooting, you require what external additional tools that are all special. Okay. So it is somewhat difficult compared to the PLC. It is very easy to handle, easy to rectify fault, easy to program. Operation wise, it is operating the technician, for the technician also it is easy. But microcontroller now, once you program, it can do repetitively the operation. Fault comes, rectifying it, troubleshooting it will not be like what PLC. But it is complex. Though we have Arduino boards have come now, there is still PLC overcome the microcontroller in the parameters which have been taken for comparing the both technically. Programming wise, you see, I said ladder programming is the one extensively used. There are different type of programming techniques available. Ladder programming is the one extensively used. This is diagrammatic one. As I said earlier, what readily available modules are available. You can pick and place it, connect it, and you can program it, execute it. You can get the what output as you required. Okay, being it is schematic. But microcontroller, you have to write the program, you execute it. If there is any fault, you have to find it out, you have to rectify it. Architecture wise also, comparatively your PLCs are good. That also we have seen. After that, application wise, we can compare PLC and microcontroller. application wise, PLCs are primary control elements used in industrial control systems, we have seen. They find application in the control of industrial machines, conveyors, robots, and other production line machineries. Everywhere it is used. Used in SCADA based systems also. The next level is they are used in SCADA systems, modules of SCADA systems. See, with that knowledge, you can go for IoT also. Even though IoT comes, still PLC is the uncompensable one for suitable for more suitable for industry application. As microcontrollers. On the other hand, they find application in everyday electronic devices, major building blocks of several consumer electronics products and smart devices. We are using it. So from my explanation and presentation, whichever I have referred and read from the books, I have given the presentation. From that, we can easily understand that your PLCs are more suitable for industry application. Still, it is used. They scale down and used in robots and robotic applications. Found more suitable for industry environment, but it could not be withstand by your microcontrollers. And technically, people who are handling, people who are diagnosing, the rectifying the fault, also PLC side, if you look into, it is very simple, but microcontroller side, it is very difficult. So microcontrollers are best suitable in consumer electronics and smart electronic devices, but PLCs are more suitable for industry applications, industry environment. With that, I conclude the PLCs are more suitable for industry application and your microcontrollers are more suitable for consumer electronic devices. Thank you for patiently listening. Thank you very much.